In this video, I'll show you how you can reset your WordPress website. So currently my website looks like this. This video will show you how you can reset it back to the default WordPress. So what you need to do is go to your WordPress dashboard and then go here to plugins and then add new. And by the way, if this video helps you out, please do leave a like and subscribe. Then you want to search plugins and go to WP Reset here. And we're looking for this tool here, WP Reset, the most advanced WordPress reset tool. Here we can install that by clicking on Install Now. And we can real quick activate that. You can see it's got 200,000 plus active installations. Once we've done that, we can then look for this in the plugins. And we can open WP Reset Tools. And here it's going to take us to the actual plugin. So all we need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page. We're just going to use the free version here. You can choose to reactivate your theme, the current WP Reset plugin, and all plugins. If you don't want any of them back, just type in this box here, reset, and then click reset site. It's then going to tell you that you can't undo this and you need to back up if you want a backup of your website. Click reset, and we can see now the reset is in progress. Now everything's back to normal, our website has reset, so if we just go and refresh this now, you can see it's now back to the default WordPress website.